Please. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our presentation. Group number 1. We are gonna present our group presentation. Ismi Rabil Hassan and with me, Mohammad Shahjahan. So now we are going to describe our presentation. Please, everyone, listen carefully. So our presentation: ensuring gender responsibility is in the class. Number 1, ensure equal participation in the class activities.
Number 2, provide gender sensitive facilities. That means provide gender sensitive facilities means both gender take equal facilities in every things. Okay.
Number 3, treat all students equally. You have to give facility all of the students equally.
Avoid gender-based example. And that means must avoid gender-based discrimination as a teacher in the classroom.
And number 5, finally, ensure leadership girls and boys equally. You have to give facility to select captain in the classroom, boys and girls. What the quality.